everyone, I hope that you guys still in a good condition ya. So, I'm Deswita Istianti, student at Mula Warman University in Statistics Study Program 2022. If you look at the development of technology as it is today, of course there are many differences in the use of gadgets for each generation. Both in the parent generation, the adult generation, and the teenage generation. In this video, I will explain the differences in the use of these gadgets by looking directly at the activity of using gadgets in my family. The generation of parents is represented by my mother, the adult generation is represented by my sister, and the teenage generation is represented by myself. First is parents' generation. My mother usually used gadgets to play Facebook, to communicate with her old friends via WhatsApp, to doing video call, and make phone calls for other important matters. Second is adult generation. As a staff in digital marketing division, my sister always used gadgets for every activity, both at work and for personal enjoyment. And the third is teenage generation. As a younger generation like me, most of us use gadgets for fun and also to doing social media, such as WhatsApp groups for information about lectures, Zoom meetings for learning and discussions, and Twitter for viewing national or international information and news or just for fun. From this explanation, I conclude that, in fact, every generation has used and utilized gadgets as they should. But it would be better if we could reduce the use of gadgets so that addiction does not occur and can be more concerned with the surrounding environment. That's all from me. Thank you very much.